Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for coming. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I make this delicious flavorful macaroni meatball. It's really good, guys. So just take a minute and click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe, so that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do for this recipe is to have our water boiling. Then after which, when the water's boiling, then you're going to add in your salt. Then I'm going to be adding the macaroni. So I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So we're going to boil our macaroni for at least 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want it to be fully cooked. So after 3 minutes or 4, then you're going to sieve the macaroni, like, you know, separate the macaroni from the hot water, so it doesn't. So when we're done with this, we're basically going to set it aside and proceed to the rest of the cooking. So I have in there my pot, and I'm going to heat it up and add in my oil. Then I'll be adding some pepper, onion, ginger and garlic blend. So I'll be adding some other ingredients, some other dry ingredients, like the dried powdered ginger, curry powder, oregano, stock cube. Then I'll also be adding some paprika for color. So I'm just going to stir this. So at this point I already made my meatball. I totally forgot to film that. So I already made my meatball. I just made a bunch of meatball and I put them in my freezer, so whenever I need them I'll just take it out. So I got the meatball, so I'm going to add the meatballs now to the pepper mix, so that it absorb all the all the flavor. So it's better to add the meatball right away, and make sure you put your stove on a low heat, because you don't want your pot to start burning. So put it on a low heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes on a low heat, guys, okay, after 5 minutes I'm just going to add in my tomato sauce. You know, it's already red because of the paprika, but I need the tomato sauce, so I'll be adding tomato sauce. Then I'm going to stir this, you know. So after I'm done stirring, I'm going to be adding in some beef stock. You can choose to add whatever stock that you have on hand, either chicken, turkey, whatever stock that you have, just a little bit. You can add water if you want, if you don't have big stock, but I don't recommend you do so, because you don't really need so much water. You just need the sauce to dry up a bit. All right, so I'll cover it and allow it to steam for a few minutes on a low heat. Then when it steams, then I'm going to be adding my already pre-cooked macaroni. So that's it for this video, guys. So when I'm done adding the macaroni, I'm going to stir it and allow the macaroni to, you know, absorb all those sauce. You can see how red and delicious it looks. So when I'm done stirring the macaroni into the sauce, I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for about a minute or two. So at this point, if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all so much. If you've not subscribed, please go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon, that will get notified whenever I upload any new videos. So after a minute or two, the macaroni is ready, guys. Look how flavorful it looks. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye and have a blessed day.